So this is what I always do. I've been taught to do this ever since I was a kid. So other than the metal flake I made, I'm looking for rust particles. Now there's a little bit of rust on the bottom. You see the rust down there, but it's not flaky. And if you come back and look over here, it's only tarnished surface rust. It's not flakes. It's the flakes that you have to be afraid of. So when there's flakes of rust and there's so much rust in there, you see that straw at the bottom. The flakes fall off the inside, the rust flakes fall to the bottom where the oil goes. The pickup straw you see right there is sitting right at the bottom. It picks up the rust flakes. There's no filter from this point. All the refrigerant goes through the filter, but after that, there's no filter. So the rust flakes here get delivered right to the expansion valve and plug the expansion valve. So that's pretty clean inside. So we're lucky. We don't have to worry.